Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Twitch tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to stream to Twitch using Twitch's new software, Twitch Studio. So this is a new software that has been developed and released by Twitch, so you know it's safe to use with your Twitch account. Now it is free, but it's currently only compatible with Windows computers. So that's going to be Windows 7 and up. This tutorial will be performed on a Windows 10 computer. If you have a Mac or a Linux computer, check the description because I have a tutorial on how to start a stream using OBS Studio, which is another free software compatible with those OSs. Now, Twitch Studio is a full, all-encompassing streaming software. So this is going to allow you to build your stream with a webcam, your game, microphone, different things like that. It also includes stream alerts. So kind of what Streamlabs does, such as follow alerts, different things like that. You can include that in your stream, and then you can customize the overlays that allow it to look really unique and really cool. And I'll show you how all that works. All right, so let's go and get started. The first thing you need to do is simply go to twitch.tv/studio and check the description because I'll have a detailed write-up down there in case you get lost, as well as all the links that I discuss. Once you get to twitch.tv/studio, they have tons of information on this about what the features are for Twitch Studio. But all we're going to do once we get here is just go to download now, click that, and then save the installation file to our computer. So once the download is completed, open it up and you should see this page right here. All we need to do is go to install. If you want to change the installation location, you can go to advanced, but we're just going to select install. It's a very easy installation process. Once you hit install, it'll take it about 30 seconds and then it should open up the Twitch Studio app. From here, all we need to do is log into our Twitch account. So I'll just select continue. Now, real quick, it will require that you have two-factor authentication set up on your Twitch account. If you don't know how to do that, or if you have not done that yet, check the description because I have a tutorial covering how to do that. It's very easy, and it will ensure that your Twitch account is more secure. So I'm just going to log into Twitch. All right, so once we're logged into our Twitch account, it's going to bring you to the Get Started page. I do recommend going through this wizard because it will give you kind of a lay of the land, how the Twitch Studio works, and at the end of it, you'll have a stream set up so you can start streaming right after that. So let's go ahead and get started by just selecting Get Started down here. So the first step is going to be setting up your mic, and it will automatically find a mic connected to your computer. If this is the wrong mic, you can change it here. It'll give you a list of the available microphones. And you also have some personalization features. This is actually pretty important. So this is where you can change the volume levels. And then down here, you have some really cool features such as remove background noise and remove quiet noises. So this can really improve the quality of your stream. Now my microphone already has that built in, so I'm just going to select done here. Now we can continue on to our webcam. Now for the webcam setup, all we need to do is select it from the drop down. I'm going to select my integrated webcam and my laptop because I'm already using my HD webcam to film this tutorial. Once the webcam comes up, we can select through different filters. It'll change the look of the webcam based on what you want it to look like. They have some interesting looks in here. I'm going to go with Pro 2. After that, we continue to the layouts, and this is where we build the look and the feel of our stream. So starting out, we have 3 pre-configured layouts. We have main, which is what we're going to use for our gameplay or just our stream in general. We have Be Right Back, which doesn't have a webcam, and you can put it up real quick if you need to take a quick break during your stream. And then we have Downtime, which is kind of just a multi-purpose catch-all stream. So we can select into these, customize them further, such as color, everything like that. They have different wallpaper and patterns that you can use for the background. I really like this sun background. You don't have to worry about spending too much time here because you can always edit these later. So I'm just going to select done. So that's all we're going to do in stream layouts right now. Now we'll continue on to the settings. And this is where the Twitch Studio app will check your computer and also your internet bandwidth to make sure that the settings for the app are configured for the best stream possible. If something changes on your network, you can always go back and rerun the test so that it will tweak those settings so that it works better. And you can also customize them manually by just selecting tweak settings in here and go in here and change just about anything you want, including the resolution, which is a big question I get. All right, so now all we need to do is select continue to app, and we have a completed configured stream ready to go. As you can see, we have the webcam and we have the background. So let's go over a quick overview of what the layout here, all of this means. Up here in the top left, we have main screen share. And if you select that, you can select what on your computer is going to make up the main item of your stream. So if you have a game, this is where you would want to select that for your stream. And you could do that through Windows, or you can just select the entire monitor. So I'm just going to select that real quick so you can see what that looks like. You can even configure it to capture the cursor, which is your mouse. So I'll select next. Once you select next, you can edit the stream information, such as the title of the stream, the notification that will be sent out to your followers, the category of the stream, and then you can add some tags. I'm just going to add tutorial. And remember, you can add more than one tag. It is pretty important to add those. So I recommend adding anything relevant to your stream. And then finally, we can select the language. After that, we select done. Under main screen share, we have stream layout. And this is where you have those different layouts configured. Now you can right click any of these and then you can rename them. You can also edit them as well. So this is where you can add alerts. And as you can see, you can change the position of them by just dragging and dropping them. In the right size, you can change the duration of the alert, the background, the alert type, and you can even test that right there with host, raid, subscription, cheer. You can test all of these out, see what they will look like. You can also select the different options down here, such as your webcam, game capture, wallpaper, and the background color. If you want to add a new layer, just hit the plus symbol, and this is where you can add all kinds of stuff, including images, text. You can embed a website, different things like that. And one thing to keep in mind, if you do use Streamlabs and you want to add any alerts there, or maybe the tip jar, your chat, anything like that, you can do that through embed web page. So I'm going to do that real quick. I am adding a tip jar from Streamlabs. I'm just going to paste the URL and then I'll select the right arrow. And then as you can see, the tip jar shows up on my stream right there. I can move it around and place it wherever I want to, and even change the size if I want to. And there we go. So now I have a tip jar. You could do the same thing with any of the widgets available on Streamlabs. And if you'd like to know how to set these up, check the description because I have tutorials covering just about all of these. All right, so that's how you edit your layouts and add other layers to your layouts. So I'm just going to save this. Now back to the main page of the Twitch Studio. We have the activity feed right here. So these are things that are happening to your Twitch channel, such as followers or somebody cheering you. You can always repeat the alert from that by just hitting the little play button right here. And as you can see, it did the alert, which is pretty cool. And you can also edit this by hitting the little 3 dots to change what is actually shown in this activity feed. And then finally, we have my chat, and this is just an example of your chat room on Twitch. So if I do that, that's going to show up on my Twitch channel. Now it's important to note that this area right here is kind of an example of what your stream will look like. This is what people will see if they're viewing your stream on Twitch. All right, so now we have our Twitch stream configured and we're ready to go live with Twitch Studio. To do that, what we need to do is go down the bottom right here where it says Setup Stream, click the little arrow, and then you can say Start Streaming Now. Now, if you wanted to do a quick test of your microphone and see how everything works, you can always go to Record Video. You can also use this to record your desktop as well. So it's kind of a multifunctional app. I'm just going to go to Start Stream Now. Now when I go to my channel page on Twitch, which is twitch.tv/gaginggadgets, please follow, you can see that I'm live and you can actually see my stream right here. So you can see the webcam, you can see the tip jar. Very cool. Everything is working exactly how I configured it. Now to end my stream, all I need to do is go back to the Twitch Studio app and then at the bottom, select End Stream. Just confirm you want to end your stream. Now when I go back to my Twitch channel, you can see that I'm now offline. So that's how you stream on Twitch using Twitch Studio. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Twitch tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.